Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and every workshop needs a really high quality sander. I want to show you this corded sander from Mirka. This corded electric sander is awesome. First of all, we love that this came in a sustainer so we can easily stack it onto our dust extraction system, and it also keeps all of the pieces organized and keeps everything together. This sander is really versatile and can be used for a variety of surfaces and desired sanding levels, so you can use this for so many different jobs that come up. It's lightweight and so easy to hold and to use even for long periods of time. We have a lot of sanding to do on this truck cab, and this sander has drastically improved the efficiency of this project. It has the integrated dust collection system, so it makes it a cleaner and healthier work environment, which is a huge deal when we paired it with our dust collector. I also find that it's not super loud and it's just easy to maneuver around. Seriously, a win-win all around with this sander. It is an awesome choice for versatility, efficiency, and power while still being lightweight and easy to use. So I would definitely recommend this sander, and that's my point of view.